Forget the painstaking chore of peeling potatoes and treat yourself to the Cook's Professional Potato Peeler. It can peel 1 kilogram of potatoes in less than 4 minutes, which means it's ideal if you're catering for large numbers, have poor hand dexterity or arthritic joints, or simply don't like peeling spuds. Fill the large capacity 1 kilogram bowl with potatoes, add water and press start. The 6 rotating ultra-sharp stainless steel blades quickly prepare your potatoes ready for roasting, boiling or chipping. Use the same process for preparing apples, leaving them peeled and ready for cooking in minutes. The rubber feet prevent movement while the peel is being used, and there's a safety cut-off system preventing use if the attachments aren't fully secured. Plus, insert the additional basket to remove excess water from salads, ensuring fresh, crunchy salad ingredients to accompany your favourite home-cooked meals.
Don't let messy clogs, nasty blocks, and bunged-up toilets hold you up. Hi, Mark Gill here, and this is the Drain Jet from JML, the high-pressure sink and plug hole unblocker that uses the power of pressurized air. No chemicals, no tricks, and no tools. Just pump, place, and power away those blocks and clogs. Drain Jet's incredible 30 psi of power frees up any kind of blockage instantly. We created this Batberg blockage with kitchen roll, mixed salad, rice, cereal, bread, another kitchen roll, and topped it off with water. Now watch this. Drain Jet's incredible pressurized air powers through this huge blockage like it was never even there. The secret is the pressurized pump action design that builds up and stores air. Pull the trigger and you get a forceful jet of blockage-busting power. Choose from 3 different attachments so you can tackle any kind of obstruction. Traditional plungers push and pull and can create more of a mess than when you first started. But Drain Jet creates a huge blast of air that frees up virtually any obstruction. Just pump and pull the trigger and watch blockages clear instantly. Drain Jet is perfect for your bathroom blocks, your kitchen clogs, or those really nasty U-bend holdups. No matter.
Tackling the rubbish is a dirty job that everyone has to do. Whenever you need a new bin liner, you just can't find one. And when you do finally find one, someone always seems to have left something nasty behind. Introducing Trash Tidy, the fast and easy way to replace your bin liners. Just like a tissue box, Trash Tidy automatically feeds a new bag. So whenever you take out the rubbish, there's a fresh bag waiting for you. So you can fill it, remove it, and quickly replace it. Trash Tidy also works brilliantly with perforated bags. Just lift it, tear it, and replace it. Trash Tidy installs in just seconds. Simply place a roll of bin liners inside. Feed the first one through the lid, remove the adhesive seal, and place Trash Tidy in the bottom of your bin. Now you're ready for this, and this. But Trash Tidy isn't just for your rubbish bin. You can also place it on any wall, inside your cabinets, in your utility room next to the dog leads. Trash Tidy fits many different sizes of bags and bins, from big to small. It's perfect in the kitchen, or in the bathroom, or even use it in the office. Why search everywhere when you can have your bin liner right there ready to go with Trash Tidy?
Create authentic stone pizzas in the comfort of your own home with the authentic Blaze Box pizza oven. This handy pizza box sits neatly on top of your barbecue or grill, transforming it instantly into a gourmet pizza oven. The design features a 10mm thick pizza stone for authenticity and uses convective, radiant and conductive heat to raise the cooking temperature to 450 degrees centigrade, displayed on the integrated temperature gauge, which starts at 50 degrees centigrade. The door is magnetic and has a central glass panel, enabling you to check on the pizza without releasing any heat. Not only is it great for pizza, you can also bake bread and cookies, roast meat and veg, or cook fish. Carry handles make transportation easy, and a pizza paddle is also available, allowing you to rotate and retrieve the pizza safely and easily. Perfect for parties and family gatherings, the pizza oven allows you to create tasty, authentic pizzas quickly and easily, keeping everyone happy. Introducing the Cook's Professional Multi-Section Frying Pan, the all-purpose pan that lets you cook 5 different types of food at the same time. No need for separate pots and pans. With its 5 different compartments, this handy all-purpose frying pan does it all. Cooking has never been easier. You can prepare a whole meal in one pan, simply, efficiently and quickly. With its 5 different sized compartments, you can keep meat away from veg and cook fish separately to the rest of your meal. The 5 different sized compartments means you can cater to all diets and taste buds without juggling multiple pans. Compatible with standard, hob and induction cookers, the high-quality pan provides even heat distribution for a smooth cooking process. And the healthy non-stick coating requires less oil and fats when cooking. Plus, you only use one burner hob, making it very cost-efficient to use. Its non-stick surface is easy to clean, and there's less washing up as you're only using one pan. The multi-section frying pan. Great for busy families, people on the go, students and campers. The perfect answer if you want to eat well and enjoy your food, without any hassle and without any mess.